Hello, Kit here, professional voice actor and narrator. If, like me, you occasionally come across words you're not quite sure how to say, then I'm here to help. Okay, here we go. Lexicon, lexicant, lexican, with lexicit. This adjective means being kind and tolerant, particularly in the context of someone older to someone younger, so it can come over as a bit patronizing or condescending in some contexts. The word is avuncular, 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 when written phonetically. And at the bottom, when using symbols from the International Phonetic Alphabet. There's a difference between the symbols at the end of the UK and US pronunciations. Americans tend to say the R at the end, avuncular, whereas the British will say avuncular. American, avuncular. British, avuncular. How to use avuncular in a sentence? Here's one example. His avuncular attitude rose as the whiskey in his glass fell. This word comes from the Latin avunculus, for your maternal uncle or your mother's brother. There is no equivalent for aunts, although I'm sure my niece can think of a few. That's your lexicit word today, avuncular. Now you know how to say it, what it means, and how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart words made simple, and keep building your lexicit.